Hello friends, let me show you, let me tell you, let me teach you how to put only one magnet on the door of a refrigerator. It's very important. You put just one magnet on the door of a refrigerator, and then you put just one magnet on the door of a refrigerator, and then you put just one magnet on the door of a refrigerator, and then when your grandchildren come, the little one has to have one down here, and then just one more, not two, not three, not four more, very important, just one more, and one more. And then, of course, you might start to be concerned that if you put just one magnet on the door of a refrigerator, gradually you might have to stop, because the door might be covered. You might not like that moment, and so you might avoid coming too close of that. So you just put one magnet on the side of the refrigerator, and one more, and one more. But then you might just dread the thought of that also eventually happen. So you put just one magnet on the other side of the refrigerator, or one something, and one more something, and just one more, and then you might get concerned that eventually that side too might get filled. And so, to avoid that dreadful happenstance, you put just one item in the side of the refrigerator, on your wall, on your kitchen wall, and just one more, 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 and then you think that it might get too full, and so you decide to go to somewhere where there is nothing, and so there is nothing, luckily, on the toilet except a roll of toilet paper and just one more, but the walls are clean, thanks goodness. But then you decide to put just one sticker on the door of the toilet and just one more and just one more, and oh my gosh, it happened. You covered the door, but don't be saddish. Have a radish and have one more sticker to cover the other side of the toilet door, and just one more, and just one more, and just one more, till you cover the whole outer side of the door. Oh boy. But don't despair. There are rooms. Don't despair. There are rooms. Don't despair. There are rooms. There are rooms. Please write it down. There are rooms to be filled with just one item at the time. Not 2 or 3. Just one.